Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to show you my second origami collection series. Okay, today it will be about airplanes. Okay, so first I'm going to show you is simple airplane. This is simple airplane. See? The second one is rainbow airplane. This one is the first rainbow airplane. And this one is the second rainbow airplane. And third is belly button paper airplane. This is how it looks like. And this one is belly button. I'll show you. See? You can see it. And you put it. And this is belly button airplane. And then fourth one is flying shark. This one is flying shark. See? This is the bottom. And this is the top. So this is flying shark. And the next one is skyscraper airplane. Skyscraper airplane. Just like this. See? And then the next one is, I think this is hard. Let me see. Skyscraper. Next is squid paper airplane. This kind of looks like squid because it has this. Okay. The next one is eagle. I'm going to show you the eagle one. Eagle is this. This one is eagle. Origami eagle. The next one is spear paper airplane. See? Spear paper airplane. Because the next one is jet airplane. Do I have that? Okay, that's the airplane. The next one is Noshika word squid airplane. This is the Japanese type of airplane. The next one is canard. The next one is back horn. So it is like the horn. The next one is star wing. Just kind of shaped like a star. The next one is hummingbird. Because of this. The pick. The next one is air impulse. The next one is white trail. It is white trail. Well, the next one is this is This is different from other airplanes, is carrier pigeon. Carrier pigeon. And the next one is black kite paper airplane. And the last but not least is seagull paper airplane. And this is my origami airplane collections. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video. Comment down and subscribe. Thanks. Bye bye bye.